Tamara here, the design boss, and I am standing in front of our radical home transformation project in Point Loma. The outside of the house looks exactly the same. Nothing has changed, but every single inch of the inside has been touched and renovated. We're still at the tail end of this project. We have about 6 weeks to go. And it's been sort of messy over the last couple of months because walls have been torn apart, ceilings have been strewn everywhere. It's just been a little bit of a mess, but honestly that's what happens in renovation projects. So I didn't really have anything to show you for a while, but today I have enough progress to show you what's been happening and what's coming next. And I'm going to invite you inside and we're going to show you little bits and pieces because there's still work happening. There's actually somebody sawing some drywall inside, so it's a little loud, but I'm going to share it with you anyway. So come with me, let's check it out. So I'm upstairs now, and I want to show you how unique this house is. As I said before, it's a mid-century modern house, and it's filled with glass. So I'm just going to spin around quickly and show you that almost all the walls up here are glass. I'm on the second floor. It's like being in a bird cage. Amazing, right? Flooded with light, and even though there's no lights on in this house, it feels really light and bright. So we're in a guest bathroom. This is probably the smallest of the 3 or 4 bathrooms in this house, and it's in progress, so it's a mess. But I wanted to show you something that's a detail that we talk a lot about when we're doing design. We have this tile. It's actually really pretty, aqua kind of sea blue-green tile. But this trim piece was something that was really a sticking point with us. At first we had it spec'd as silver, and then we decided we wanted to match the window trim. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you're designing a house, all these little details really add the flavor to the space when you get it right. So us making sure that we loved all of the trim was important. I'm going to show you another example of that in the other bathroom. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in the master bath. It's in progress, so you can see that the bathtub's sitting in the middle of the room, and there's protective covering over all the new stone. Wallpaper's going in right now, so there's some installers here. I'm going to flip the camera around, and you can see here, this is where the shower is. Right behind me is the shower, and it has no glass in it yet, but I want to show you a detail that's really important, and it is this beautiful gold tile wall. So this tile is going to be mostly obscured by the bathtub, but we really wanted to have some bling in this bathroom and some glamour, and one of the things we really needed to pay attention to was this teeny tiny little trim piece. I'm going to get really close. This piece, right, there's my finger, right there. This piece is called a Schluter. And although it doesn't seem like a really big deal, when you're doing design, you have to pay attention to how does the tile end, and what are all the transitions. So if you look, don't want to trip here. If you look at the edges of the marble stone in the shower, you can see we used the same Schluter here. So the detail on the shower, when you step away from it, you don't really notice it much, but when you're up close, it really adds that extra touch of detail and glamour that is going to really make the space. So one of the things that we're gonna do here in the bathroom is, you can see the new cabinets behind me. The sinks are getting installed today. There's no hardware yet, so all the hardware is gonna be brushed gold. So remember the gold tile there at the shower? Yeah, that. The hardware is gonna match that. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to show you in a few weeks. Okay, bye.